Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to reattach the weather stripping or rubber gaskets on any automobile permanently. It's not a temporary fix, it's a permanent fix. As you can see here on my Nissan, I have the rubber weather stripping coming loose. And in this video, I'll also show you how to do the hood rubber. And it doesn't matter if it's rubber, plastic, or even metal. The stripping that goes around the trunk, any weather stripping around the trunk or the doors here that might be coming loose, I want to show you how to permanently put it in. Now, some people would use super glue. I'd highly recommend not, because it's not meant for temperature, vibration, and weather temperature changes and getting really moist. So you don't want to use super glue for something like that. You can use silicone, but I don't think it's as good as this particular product. This is 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive. You can get this on Amazon for less than 10 bucks. And actually you get 2 packs. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get that. Let's go ahead and fix my weather stripping on my window. So the only thing I need, of course, is my 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive, some rubbing alcohol, and a cloth. So I got 70% isopropyl alcohol. So what we're going to do is clean the surface. So here's my strip. Clean this really well. So let me get all the grime off of it. Now let's get my tube of 3M Super Weatherstrip Adhesive. And it is black, as you can see, so it won't look mixed matched. Okay. And you can use like clamps depending on where on the vehicle it is. Or you might, on certain areas, like if it's on the roof, you could put like a weight on it, like a little dumbbell weight. But to be honest with you, it's so good that in a lot of places you're not going to need it. The gravity on here is pretty good on the window. Let me clean it up with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And this should be a permanent fix. Once you get it fixed, you should not have to go back in there and redo it. All right, again, link in the comment section exactly where you can get the 3M Black Weather Strip. And put in the comment section exactly what issue that you have with your car. Is it the roof? Is it the trunk? And let me know when you try the product out. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.